Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing the third video in the how to draw body part series, and we're going to be learning to draw ears. So the first tutorial I did was from Gel Arts, and this was a pretty quick tutorial and keeping the ear nice and simple, not putting too much detail on it, and learning to draw from different angles, so front on, a bit more side on, and then also learning to draw the ear from behind the head as well, which was really useful. And I also liked how we started to figure out where to put it in terms of the position on the head, and that was really useful as well, learning that. And the second video tutorial I did was from Mikey Mega Mega. This was actually one of the best tutorials I've done within the whole series. Actually broke everything down and made it a lot more simple to create my own ear from there, and yeah, the results from this I thought were really good. It wasn't too detailed, but it was enough detail in there to make it looking like a really characterized ear. Really liked doing the elf ear there as well. And then the last video tutorial was from Proco. These were a lot more realistic looking ears with a lot more shading, a lot more detail, and yeah, this was a really short tutorial. It was more of just different ears, and then I just sort of copied them from there, tried to just sketch them and put the shading into them really. But yeah, these ones were a lot more realistic, a lot more detailed, and yeah, they took a little bit longer to do, but I think I preferred the Mikey Mega Mega one because it was a lot more easier to do. And then I decided to, like the last videos, bring different ears into Procreate and just trace over them and try and figure out where the darker shading is and what creates different characters. And then I thought I'd bring some fancy ones in as well, some elf ears, dwarf ears, and that was really fun looking at the different shapes and different details inside. But yeah, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe. There's still more coming out, and learning a lot, so hoping you guys can carry on learning with me, and eventually we can start putting all the body parts together on a face and create our own character. But thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.